Hi, my name is Christina Angel. I'm a Specialist Solutions Architect for Amazon Connect. In this video, I'm going to show how you can utilize Amazon Connect for agent assistance on emails. Amazon Connect is an AI-powered application that provides one seamless experience for your contact center customers and users. It's comprised of a full suite of features across communication channels. Amazon Connect Email provides built-in capabilities that make it easy for you to prioritize, assign, and automate the resolution of customer service emails, improving customer satisfaction and agent productivity. You can receive and respond to emails sent by customers to your configured email addresses or submitted using web forms on your website or mobile app. Amazon Connect's Agent Assistance is Amazon's generative AI-powered enterprise tool designed to help businesses increase productivity and streamline operations. It's an AI assistant that can access company-specific data and applications, help employees find information, answer questions using company policies and procedures, and assist with various business tasks while maintaining security and privacy standards. Our demo use case today has our customer Mary Major emailing any company financial because she lost her credit card and needs to know how to order a replacement. Let's see how an agent utilizing Amazon Connect can automatically get AI assistance with this email workflow. The Amazon Connect Agent Workspace is a single intuitive application that provides your agents with all the customer information and step-by-step guidance they need to onboard faster, resolve issues more efficiently, and improve customer experiences. Here in the Amazon Connect Agent Workspace, Agent Assistance is visible as a chat interface on the right side. This allows agents to interact with it in real time while handling customer inquiries. Agents can ask Amazon Connect questions, request information, or get assistance without leaving their main work environment, seamlessly integrating AI support into their workflows. When Mary Major's email is received by the agent, Amazon Connect automatically provides an overview of the email, including key details identified. In this case, it identified the card type, a recent transaction, and Mary's mailing address. It also searches the knowledge articles you've defined to provide recommended solutions. The agent can open the referenced knowledge articles if further review is needed. In addition, these solutions can also provide links to guided workflows for agents to complete their work quickly and efficiently. As the agent, I can now complete this replacement credit card form workflow. Next, Amazon Connect will generate a draft response that agents can utilize. Our agent can provide feedback on the recommendation with a thumbs up or down. This feedback offers contact center managers perspective on where additional information or clarification could further improve the effectiveness of your content, making it more valuable for both your agents and customers. Our agent can also copy and paste responses directly into the email reply. While continuing to utilize templates for branding and quick response answers. Agents have the ability to review and make edits to the generated draft before sending the response. Lastly, if our customer Mary Major needed to respond to this email thread, Amazon Connect will display an additional agent resolution section to provide any key context and previous actions between agents who are working on the same email thread. In summary, our customer Mary receives the support she needs during a stressful lost card scenario, and our agent is supported in their workflow to provide exceptional customer support. Amazon Connect's agent assistance for the email channel is now generally available. If you want to learn more, visit the Amazon Connect webpage. Thank you.